DJI's most recent product, the Mini 3, did not impress the fans. It lacked innovative features and removed many of the popular ones that made the Mini series successful. When we got some rumors surrounding its success of the Mini 4, we were skeptical at first, but after taking a deep dig into the specs, it got us excited to say the least. So what are the rumors and when we'll get to see it? Let's find out. The most notable improvement in the DJI Mini 4 is going to be its camera. It'll feature a 2-inch CMOS sensor with an f-stop 1.7 aperture, providing sharper and more detailed images. This camera has a 48-megapixel resolution and can record videos at up to 4.1K 60 FPS, which is a massive upgrade over the DJI Mini 3's 12-megapixel camera and its 4K at 30 FPS video recording capability, considering it has a 1 by 1.3-inch CMOS sensor. Now, including a bigger sensor can be debatable when we look at this price, but hopefully we'll finally see this, as people have been asking for it for a few years now. The Mini 4 will also have an impressive light sensitivity range of 100 to 6400, enabling you to capture clear images even in low light conditions. Another thing we'll get to see in the DJI Mini 4 is its 3-axis stabilization, which would provide smoother footage and reduce the risk of blurry images. This feature is a crucial upgrade over the DJI Mini 3, which lacked good stabilization, making it difficult to capture smooth footage. The DJI Mini 4 will also have a longer hover time of up to 38 minutes and a flight time of up to 40 minutes, significantly improving on the DJI Mini 3's 38 or 51-minute flight time while switching modes. Moreover, it'll pack a maximum flight distance of 22 kilometers or 13.6 miles, enabling it to cover a larger area than the DJI Mini 3, which has an ACUSync 2.0 image transmission range of 10 kilometers. The Mini 4 operation temperature range of -10 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius makes it suitable for use in a wider range of environments. The drone's battery has also been improved to 2,750 mAh, providing longer flight time than the DJI Mini 3. Best part of the Mini series: the main advantage of the DJI Mini 4 is its weight. The official weight is yet to be announced, but it'll be under 250 grams for sure. Many FAA regulations simply do not apply to drones under this weight. Flying smaller drones is generally seen as safer than operating large drones, and by eliminating FAA rules, the process of flying drones loses a lot of legal obstacles. Under 250 grams means Mini 4 will have the advantage of being under the weight limit, and in terms of price, the DJI Mini 4 is expected to cost around $599, which is similar to the Mini 3's price. However, considering the upgrades and improvements in the DJI Mini 4, the price seems reasonable. Drone as an industry has come a long way. Earlier, drones could fly for 3 to 5 minutes only. Many researchers spend years getting more flight time and range. MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory has been actively developing a method to increase the range of drones by imitating birds since 2014. The idea is to have the drone land on a power line to use the electricity flowing through it for recharging. But landing a drone precisely on a thin power line is a difficult task in itself due to the small margin of error involved. Nonetheless, researchers have conducted successful indoor and outdoor tests demonstrating a foam glider that can find their power line and hook onto a string stretch in front of it. It needs to be highly accurate, though, as a 6-centimeter distance from the power line is necessary to maintain stability, and any deviation from that can cause the drone to fall off. Mini 4's ability to cover the 22-kilometer range is a testament to that. It's this kind of innovation that make drones to be this smaller yet more capable than early years. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 will be significantly improved over the DJI Mini 3. Its upgraded camera, stabilization, flight time, and flight distance will make it a much more attractive option for drone enthusiasts, and in our opinion that makes it worth the wait. Mini 4 is expected to be announced in Q3 of 2023. So, what do you think about the upcoming DJI Mini 4? Share your thoughts in the comments section down below.